In this video, we're diving into how to add a blog to your Squarespace website and make it easy for readers and search engines to find your content. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and learn what you need to succeed online. Now, Squarespace is a fantastic platform for building a beautiful site without coding. Adding a blog allows you to share news, stories, and helpful content with your audience. But to get the most out of your blog, you need to know how to organize your posts and optimize them for search engines. Let's walk through the entire process. Why blogging matters. Blogging is a powerful way to communicate with your audience, improve your site's search engine ranking, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Each blog post is a new page on your site, which is another opportunity for Google to find you. Who this video is for. So whether you're starting a new blog or adding one to an existing Squarespace site, this video is for you. It's going to be beginner friendly and covers every step, including how to use tags and categories for organization and SEO. And yes, you can do this. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can set up a professional blog on Squarespace. I'll show you how easy it is to manage posts, add images, and optimize your content. Number one, adding a blog page. Step-by-step process. So if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can click the link down below in the description to get started. And if you use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout, you can go ahead and save some money. But you can also get started with a free trial, so start with that. And when it's time to upgrade, use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout to save some money. Once you're logged in, it'll look something like this, and it's gonna get us started here. So we'll go ahead and just, click through this really quick here. What do you want to do with your website? We want to publish a blog or other media, but I'm actually not gonna turn that on right now because I think that's gonna go ahead and in the background do this for you, but maybe you already have your website going, and so we're gonna go ahead and just click next, and we'll choose a template. I like this one, and we'll go ahead and start with this design. Log in to your Squarespace account and open the page editor. We'll click the plus icon. So let's go to website, and we'll go to pages, and this is where we'll go ahead and add it. Now you can either add it here and under the main navigation, and it'll show up here, or if you don't want it there, you can go ahead and put it under the not linked pages. So it's up to you. I'll go ahead and add it to the menu. So go ahead and click this plus sign, and we'll go ahead and look for blog and click on that. Select the blog page. So from here, we've got some different options. So you can choose how it's laid out. You can have it this one big post here. You can have like a grid of 4, one long column, or you can have sort of, different sizes here. I'm just gonna pick this one. I think it looks the most bloggy, and we'll go ahead and we'll just call this blog. And there it is. Layout. So Squarespace may offer different blog layouts like you just saw. Just choose the one that fits your site's aesthetic. 3, creating a blog post. So let's go ahead and create a blog post right now. So here we are in the blog section here. We can see that there are currently, 4 different blog posts going right now. We can go ahead and get rid of all those since they're just blank anyways. So go ahead and select all those and delete. And now we can go ahead and add a new blog post. So we can go ahead and call this my very first blog post. And there's our title, and then we can start writing here. And as you can see, as soon as I start writing, we've got these tools right here. So maybe we'll go heading to here, and you can add tons of things in here. If you wanted to add a link, you can link to something else. And that's how easy it is to go ahead and start, actually typing and creating your blog posts. So go ahead and click save for now. 4, tags and categories. What's the difference? So categories, these are broad topics or themes. For example, if you're a travel blogger, categories might include Europe, Asia, or travel tips. Tags. These are specific labels that describe the details of a post. So from this section right here, this is the blog post that we've been working on. If we click on these 3 little dots here, we go to settings, and then we come to options. This is where we can go ahead and find tags and categories. So here we don't have any tags, but we'll just call this, since this is a photography basic website, we could do cameras, lenses, focal lengths, portraits, landscape, categories. Maybe this could be countries, maybe like North America, Europe, Africa, etc. And we'll go ahead and select a few for this. And there we go. Go ahead and click save. And that's how you go ahead and add that stuff here. So we can see the categories up here as well as the tags down below. 5, SEO basics for blog posts. Edit SEO titles and descriptions. So under the SEO tab in the post editor where we just were, you can customize the title and description section that appear in search results. Make them clear, concise, and keyword rich without being spammy. So let's go ahead and take a look at those settings again. We'll come to these settings here, and here under SEO, this is where we can go ahead and add the SEO optional and the SEO description. I'll just type in SEO title just so you can see up there how it changes that. And then in the description here, this is where the description goes. And so again, this is kind of like the search results preview. So it's good to test this out and make sure that you actually put a little bit of effort here. Social image. So this is where you go ahead and add an image. It's going to social preview look like that, but you can also give it an image as well. And then this is where you can share. So you can go ahead and connect social media accounts so it'll go directly there as well. 6, publishing and managing posts, drafts, scheduled posts, and published posts. So in the content tab, you'll see options like draft, needs review, scheduled, and published. Use these to manage your post's status. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that now. So here we are. As you can see, this is currently a draft post right now. We can also filter over here so we can go from all to draft, scheduled, and published. So what we can do, we can come in back to this. We'll go ahead and edit this. And then up here, this is where you can go ahead and either publish or schedule. So when you click on the schedule, it's going to open up a little calendar and you can select the date and time to go ahead and schedule your blog post in the future. So let's go ahead and we'll schedule this for tomorrow to go out, and we'll go ahead and schedule that. Now, when we go ahead and exit here, we can go ahead and see that it says scheduled now. So adding a blog to your Squarespace site is a super straightforward process. By organizing your posts with tags and categories and optimizing them for SEO, you make it easier for readers and search engines to find your content. With these tips, you can build a blog that not only looks great, but also boosts your online presence. So do you have questions about blogging on Squarespace? Leave them down in the comments below. And if you want to get started with Squarespace, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you build your very first website from the ground up, so be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.